Hey everyone, it is Crafty Chic Sherry, and I am here today with a gift for all my friends, family, my followers, the people that like my posts, all my fans, okay? I'm here with a gift for you. Today, I want to creatively empower you to make these DIY glitter ornaments, okay? So let's run through the supplies real quick. First, you're going to need clear plastic or glass. I prefer plastic because they're shatterproof ornaments, okay? You can get these at any craft store, and they also sell them at Dollar Tree, and they're 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree, okay? You're also going to need extra fine glitter, okay? They sell this again at all the craft stores. I haven't seen it at Dollar Tree, the extra fine, but I have seen it at Dollar Zone, okay? We're actually going to use red. They also sell it at Walmart. I got this one at Walmart. I like to use a sheet of paper, and I cut a piece of paper, and I make myself a little funnel out of a piece of it, and then I use the rest to kind of catch glitter, etc. And then the secret, the thing that holds this all together, is Pledge. You're going to need some Pledge floor care, okay? The label might look different. I've had this bottle for like 5 or 6 years now, and I still have a ton left, okay? Like, I've given some to my sisters. I've given some to an organization that I advise who made ornaments for all, like, 50 of their members. So this bottle has gone a long way. It's been with me for a while. So, but anyway, this is what you want. You want Pledge Floor Care Multi-Surface Finish, okay? You got to make sure you get the right pledge because all pledges are not created equal, and I tried to make this with another kind of pledge, and it did not work out for me. And then I have this little plastic cup here. It's already got some pledge in it because I've made a couple ornaments already today. But I use this to catch the pledge when I'm done, and then I will pour this back into the bottle and use it again later. All right, so that's the supply. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first and foremost, you want to take this silver thing off. These can be tricky to get off, so just be careful. You just got to kind of pull it out and squeeze at the same time, okay? If you pull it too hard, it'll come all the way out. Don't worry, you didn't break it. It goes back in pretty easily, okay? I'm going to set that to the side. Next, I'm going to take some of that Pledge Floor Care, and I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze some into the ornament. Okay, this is where my little plastic cup comes in. I'm going to swirl this, literally swirl this ornament all around with the goal of coating the entire inside of this ornament, okay? And then when I get towards the edge, I like to go slow and take my time and make sure that I get all the way to the top. And then I let it pour out as I'm turning it to make sure that I've gotten all of it nice and coated. Okay. And again, I'm going to put that back in my bottle and use it later. Next, this is where my funnel comes in. I'm going to put my funnel inside, and I'm just going to pour a ton of glitter right inside. I said a ton, right? All right, I'm going to sit that down for 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and open this to be prepared for my next segment. Okay? So take the funnel out, and just like we swirled the pledge, we're going to swirl this glitter around. That looks kind of cool like that, doesn't it? And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do it nice and slow at the top, and we're going to let the glitter pour out of the top back into the jar. like to just give it a rock back and forth a couple times because sometimes some glitter gets caught up in there. Some people like to tap the glitter down. You can do that, but I don't want to tap the glitter off of the sides. I want to make sure that it stays there, so I don't do that. So when you're done here, you can leave the cap off for a while to make sure that you give it enough time to dry. But when you go to put the cap back on, you just put it on and then squeeze this as you slowly lower it because you don't want it to just snap down and scratch the inside of your surface. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, that is it. That is the glitter ornament. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? It's so, this red is so pretty. Like, I don't know. And it's very festive, right? All right, so that's it. So I've got my holiday ornaments. At this point, I could use them just like they are. I could add ribbon to them. I could add stickers to them. I could cut out vinyl and put words on them. But this, that's it. That's how you do a glitter ornament. So again, I challenge you all to run out and buy these. You cannot beat 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. So definitely run and get those. And if you decide to make anything, please comment and let me know how it goes. Send me photos and whatnot. Yeah. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and click that notification bell at the top to make sure you get updated on when a new video is posted. And I will catch you later.